Alright, here with the Kingston College captain, Blaine Byam. First of all, walk me through the game. What did we see from Kingston College today?
Well, today was mostly a defensive performance. I really tested the defense and we coped well with some fantastic performances from Malik and both myself and the entire back line. But attacking wise, we took our few chances and that gave us the victory in the end. So grateful.
Alright, so we see Central High with some goal threat today. Did that surprise you guys? Were you guys prepared for the goal threat that Central High provided?
Yeah, because we did our research, they can take their shots. So Malik is more of a shot stopper. So that's why he was in today. And I felt he did fantastic at points. He surprised me. So yeah, great performance from him.
Alright, a rotated squad. Walk me through how you would have given your team some confidence and not allow, the energy and the vibe to drop. Being a rotated squad, 6 starters not starting today. How did you walk your team through this game?
Well, today in particular, I had to lead from front. I had to be very vocal, and it paid off in the end. So grateful for that, and we hope to continue on the same path.
Alright, JC the next round in the semi-final. How do you feel about that matchup?
Well, it's a fantastic matchup. We know both teams know each other very well, and I feel that it will be a fantastic game by the National Stadium.
Alright. Do you guys at Kingston College want the treble? Are you trying to win all competitions, or the Manning Cup coming on Tuesday? Does any competition take preference, in your guys' season right now?
Well, for me, I want everything because it's my last year. So, but I think coach have everything in his mind, and in God's will, I think we can do it because the team has the depth and the quality. So I don't think nothing else can stop us.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you for talking to us, Blaine Byam.
Alright.